Kemi Badenoch, the leader of the United Kingdom UK Conservative Party, says she's not interested in laundering the image of Nigeria after Vice President Shettima criticized her for denigrating the country. Kemi Aide, a Nigerian descent married to Amish Badenoch, a Scottish banker, took her husband's name before she was elected leader of the Conservative Party. Badenoch described Nigeria as a socialist nation brimming with thieving politicians and insecurity. On Monday, Nigerian Vice President Shettima urged Badenoch to change her first name if she no longer wants to be identified with her homeland. He suggested Badenoch could remove the Kemi from her name if she was not proud of her nation of origin. Shettima said this during a speech on migration in Nigeria capital, Abuja. He said his government was proud of Badenoch in spite of her efforts at denigrating her nation of origin. Shettima was met with applause when he said she is entitled to her opinions. She has even every right to remove the Kemi from her name, but that does not underscore the fact that the greatest black nation on earth is the nation called Nigeria. In response to the vice president's earlier statement, Kemi's media aide said Kemi is not interested in doing Nigeria's PR. She is the leader of the opposition in the UK. She tells the truth. She tells it like it is. She's not going to couch her words. And she stands by what she says. Badenoch spokesperson said she stands by what she says and she is not the PR for Nigeria. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.